Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order a gift for someone in the Bershka app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bershka app. Go to your basket. You already selected what you would like to give like a gift, and scroll down. Here you will have gift options. Tap on it and they will prepare you wrapping. You have to select, you just tap on it, you select it like this. If it's green, it's selected, and they can write you a personal message. And you write your message and tap on save. Tap on process order, continue, continue. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.